Hi everyone, and welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm your host, Alex. Today, we'll be diving into this post from Google Research titled Google Research 2024, Breakthroughs for Impact at Every Scale, published December 19th, 2024. Well, this article highlights Google's impressive strides in research during 2024, focusing on translating breakthroughs into real-world impact. They emphasize advancements in AI, foundational machine learning, algorithms, and quantum computing, addressing significant challenges across various scales, from computational to global. So, quite a broad overview of their achievements. This figure illustrates the progress in logical qubit operation limits. It shows a progression from Sycamore and Willow to long-lived and near-perfect logical qubits. Each stage represents a significant increase in operational cycles, from 50 to kilo, mega, and finally, teracycles. The grids, along with the red and blue squares indicating error checks, visualize the growing scale and complexity of these quantum processors. Okay, so this visually demonstrates the advancements Google has made in enhancing the stability and lifespan of qubits, essential for building larger, more reliable quantum computers. So building on the idea of computational optimization, this figure visualizes the enhanced efficiency of PDLP, their linear programming solver. It compares the convergence behavior of the standard PDHG algorithm with their restarted PDHG. The closer the lines get to the star, which represents the optimal solution, the better. And you can see the restarted version converges much faster, meaning it finds the optimal solution more quickly. Alright, so this figure showcases examples of what the article calls implausibility heat maps. We see a generated image of, well, a mythical creature, and then 3 heat maps overlaid on it. The ground truth heat map uses color to show where human annotators marked implausible aspects. The other 2 show predictions from their model, and a baseline model. Hotter colors mean a higher probability of implausibility. This visually demonstrates the model's ability to identify unrealistic elements in generated images, which is, pretty important for ensuring trustworthiness in generated content. So moving on to medical applications, this figure details MedGemini, a model trained on various 2D medical images like X-rays and CT scans. It's built upon the Gemini model and branches out into 2D, 3D, and genetic data analysis, enabling a range of applications from image classification and report generation to polygenic risk prediction. This highlights the potential of AI in healthcare, offering comprehensive diagnostic and predictive capabilities. This figure visually compares the fire detection capabilities of FireSat with existing early detection satellites. A small red square, representing the size of a fire detectable by FireSat, roughly the size of a classroom, is contrasted with a much larger grid, representing the detection area of older satellites, about 2 football fields. This really highlights the significant improvement in early fire detection that FireSat offers. And so, wrapping up this look at Google Research's 2024 breakthroughs, from advancements in quantum computing with their Willow processor, to improvements in AI model trustworthiness and the practical applications like FireSat and MedGemini, it's clear they've made significant strides across various fields. Okay, that's all for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. Thanks for listening.